Welcome back to the channel. Today, we go inside a massive soap factory to uncover the complete production process from start to finish.
The journey of soap begins far away from factories, in quiet rural landscapes where
These animals form the foundation of a complex supply chain. What seems natural here will soon enter a highly engineered industrial process.
Keep them moving steady.
Gates clear, sending the next 3 up.
raw materials now begin their journey toward large-scale processing centers, where transformation will begin.
At the industrial core, raw animal-derived materials are received and prepared for transformation into usable industrial inputs.
The first stage of refinement begins as raw materials enter controlled processing environments designed for precision.
Once melted, the material is guided through a careful engineered pipeline system for purification and refinement.
Advanced filtration ensures only refined material continues forward in the production chain.
Purified tallow is stored in massive tanks, forming the foundation of soap manufacturing at scale.
The flow rate on line 3 is dropping slightly.
I see that. Purity levels are stable though.
Measured quantities are released into mixing systems where transformation into soap base begins. Inside these reactors, raw material begins its chemical journey towards soap formation.
The mixture travels through enclosed systems where consistency and texture are carefully developed.
Controlled cooling transforms the mixture into a stable base ready for refinement.
Precision cutting ensures every piece meets exact structural requirements for final processing.
This is only the beginning of transformation. The journey continues into refining, shaping, and finishing the final soap bars.
After initial sourcing, the material enters a highly controlled refining stage. Every drop is handled with precision before transformation continues.
Advanced filtration systems remove remaining impurities, ensuring only pure base material moves forward in production.
Heat regulation is critical at this stage. The material must remain stable while transitioning between processing units.
Inside sealed reactors, controlled blending begins the chemical transformation into soap base material. Every ingredient is added in precise amounts to maintain consistency across millions of soap bars. The mixture now travels through enclosed systems designed for continuous and contamination-free flow. Vacuum processing removes trapped air, improving texture and final bar density.
Controlled cooling stabilizes the structure, preparing it for shaping and refinement.
Continuous agitation ensures the mixture remains smooth and evenly blended.
The material is now ready to take form as it enters shaping systems. Extrusion systems define the structure of each soap bar before final cutting. Precision cutting ensures every bar maintains exact industrial standards.
Temperature stability is fluctuating on line 3.
Adjusting the coolant flow now, readings are normalizing.
The entire system operates in harmony, turning raw inputs into refined soap material.
Surface refinement begins, ensuring a smooth and premium finish.
Each piece is scanned to guarantee uniform quality before final shaping. The production line now prepares the material for final finishing stages.
A transformation continues seamlessly, moving closer to the final, polished soap bars, ready for refinement and finishing.
This is the heart of the process, where raw material is transformed through controlled chemical engineering into usable soap base.
Inside sealed reactors, saponification begins. turning fats into soap through precise chemical reactions.
Exact chemical ratios are maintained to ensure consistent soap quality across every batch. Dozens of reactors work in parallel, ensuring large-scale continuous production without interruption.
The soap base is transferred through pressurized systems designed for efficiency and purity.
Continuous mixing ensures uniform texture and stability throughout the batch.
Air removal improves density and ensures a smooth, long-lasting soap structure. Cooling stabilizes the soap, preparing it for shaping and precision cutting. Extrusion defines the structure, giving soap its final industrial form before cutting.
Each cut is measured with precision to maintain consistency across millions of units.
Surface refinement enhances texture, giving each bar a smooth and uniform finish. Advanced sensors ensure every bar meets exact quality specifications. At this stage, precision manufacturing ensures every bar is identical, refined, and ready for final finishing and quality control.
At this stage, the soap enters refinement systems, where every detail is adjusted for perfect consistency and texture.
Precision rollers remove imperfections and create a uniform surface across every bar. Even the smallest irregularities are removed through automated trimming systems.
Environmental control ensures the soap maintains its structure during refinement. Laser precision systems detect even the smallest deviations instantly. Spacing and alignment are corrected automatically for flawless downstream processing.
Hydration compounds are evenly integrated to enhance smoothness and quality. Buffing systems refine the surface, enhancing both appearance and texture.
The moisture levels on line 3 are fluctuating outside the acceptable range.
I see that. Rerouting the calibration sequence now.
Each bar is examined from all sides to ensure flawless refinement.
Final polishing gives each bar its signature smooth and refined finish. With refinement complete, the process now advances toward final quality control and packaging preparation.
Every soap bar now enters the final stage, where quality is tested with absolute precision before approval. Advanced scanning systems evaluate every surface for imperfections invisible to the human eye. Strength testing ensures each bar maintains durability during use and transport.
Environmental testing guarantees stability under varying temperature and humidity conditions.
Any deviation from standards is immediately removed from the production line.
Multi-angle scanning ensures complete surface validation for every single product.
Chemical testing confirms long-term stability and safe usage standards.
Final cleaning prepares each bar for flawless presentation.
Precision alignment ensures efficient and uniform packaging flow. Only fully approved batches are allowed to proceed to packaging. With testing complete, the process moves forward to final packaging and global distribution preparation.
The final stage begins as refined soap bars enter the packaging and finishing line for global distribution. Each bar is carefully sealed to preserve freshness and maintain product integrity.
Packaging is applied with precision, ensuring every product is uniform and ready for retail shelves.
Finished products are organized into large batches, ready for global shipment.
From factory floors, the products begin their journey toward distribution centers worldwide. Global logistics systems ensure smooth and efficient product delivery across markets.
The final destination is retail shelves, where the product becomes available to customers.
Here you go, honey.
Wow, that smells so clean.
Oh, only the best for my boys.
The final product delivers a smooth and gentle cleansing experience as intended.
From raw beginnings to finished product, every stage is connected in a global system of transformation, precision, and delivery.